Hey guys, welcome to another Amazon product unboxing. Today we're checking out the Bubble Gun. It's a rechargeable, USB rechargeable acoustic effect TPACFTE gun. It's got light, music, and bubbles, fun making, novel, and vivid. So it's got some pretty bold graffiti looking designs here. This runs about 15 bucks on Amazon, and I'll link that in the description below if you guys want to check it out there. All right, what do we got in the box? First off, we have, looks like a little lanyard there, can go on our gun. We have a USB charging cord. We have a top for the bubble, looks like. Here's one bottle of bubble liquid, foaming liquid. Here is a second one, looks like. Looks like we might have had a little spill on that one. I wonder why the box is kind of warped. Ooh, that is really sticky, yeah. I might have to get a napkin. Okay. And here is the gun. So this is a bubble gun. And that actually looks pretty cool. It's got a bunch of graffiti stuff all over here. It's got some skulls. It's green. It looks pretty sweet, guys. Green's my favorite color. So in the bottom here we have the little USB charging port here. I wonder if there's an on-off button or not, or we just use this. Okay. Now, is that it? Is that all the charge that was there? Unfortunately. Okay, so it was going there for a second and then it stopped. Usually these come with a little charge. I wonder if I could take this clip out or not. Is it a removable clip or not? Does not appear to be a detachable clip. So looks like you just pour the liquid right here in the hole, and that's why it comes with a little attachment on the thing. Darn it, I really was hoping that it was gonna work here with some battery charge. So it has, I guess it projects a little dinosaur out of here too, and it blows bubbles, and it makes the music or whatever. So I'm gonna go charge this up real quick. We'll see how long it takes, and we'll continue. So pretty excited to check that out. We'll see what else is in the box here, guys. Instructions maybe. Aha, got something here. Frustrated, satisfied, frustrated. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so not instructions, but we can figure this out. And we will be back once this thing is charged. We'll throw this on the USB thing there. All right, we are charged up and ready to go. Let's load this bad boy. So on the left-hand side here, we have this little silicone tab. We're going to pop that off. Next, we're taking our bottle, remove the cap. It's going to come with this little foil over the top. Remove that. It has plastic on over that. There's like multiple redundant layers of redundancy to keep it safe from anything spilling out. So really doesn't want to get me on. I'm not sure how the other one spilled. Good golly. I did it. Okay. Ooh, that's slippery. Okay. Take your little little mustard dispensing looking top on there. And open your little dispenser here on the side. We're gonna just put that in there and just kind of squeeze it in there. Gonna try to. What's going on here, boys? There we go. I didn't screw that on real tight, and obviously I should have. Okay. Gonna push in our little tab here, and we're good to go. All right, make sure that this is screwed on nice and tight when you do that. And put your little cap on. I need a towel. Okay, towel has been applied. Get some of this cleaned up there a little bit. Da, 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 da. Okay, so this has music, this has bubbles, and it has a dinosaur picture projector here thing. So, first we're gonna press the trigger. Never fire an unintended target. We have lights. We have bubbles. Well, we have a lot of bubbles. Holy cow. Let's check out the lights here at the night. All right, I don't know if you guys can see this projection on the wall. It's a dinosaur on there. It's pretty cool. And this thing is really putting out the bubbles, guys. I mean, I'm like, look at that. I am covered in bubbles. It's like crazy amount of bubbles. You almost can't even see. So many bubbles. It's pretty insane. Okay? I'm like, wow, that's a pretty cool little gun here, guys. So the music is, it makes bubble noises and it makes bubbles. It has a dinosaur picture projector and it has like flashing lights up here and it puts out a crazy amount of bubbles. So, yeah, ever stared down the barrel of a bubble blown gum here? It's like, ah, okay. So, as far as bubble blowing devices, guys, this thing's pretty insane. And look, I mean, I still have like most of my product left there. So I imagine you can just get a refill, a little bit of soap and dish soap and some water and you're good to go or whatever. But yeah, as far as bubble blowers go, this thing puts out a pretty insane amount of bubbles, guys. It looks cool. It's got the music. It's got the lights. It's got the dinosaurs. It covers like all the bases. It's just a fun little toy that puts out a crazy amount of bubbles, guys. I don't know if you can switch the. I wonder if you can switch the pictures on this thing. Oh, the little lanyard thing too. Where's the lanyard go? There we go. We'll have to attach that. Forgot about that. So. Pretty sweet bubble gun here, guys. If you have a child that likes bubbles and likes guns, right, might take a little bit of talent here to put this on. Is that even? Okay, there we go. Good night. We got it. I look like some kind of a. There we go. We are ready to rock and roll, guys. We got our gun. We got our bubbles. We're ready to go. All right. So, this is a pretty sweet toy, and I wouldn't mind having one of these when I was little or right now. It's pretty neat as far as bubble guns. I'm sure if you have any little kids around, they would love this thing. It looks cool. It makes cool sounds. It has cool music. It makes cool bubble noises. It makes a cool dinosaur projection, and it puts out a ton of bubbles. So really not anything bad to say about this. It charges with the little USB port. I only charged it for like maybe a half hour, and it's still going, or it's going pretty good. So pretty cool little toy, guys. Yeah. I think it comes in like 3 different paint styles. Like we got one that's green. We got a red one, looks like. And then we have like a smaller one that's just, it's basically like a smaller handgun instead of this like Uzi looking thing. So pretty cool, guys, for sure. Like if you do want to check this out on Amazon, I'm leaving the link in the description below. I'm an Amazon associate, so if you buy stuff from my links, it helps out the channel. So it's like a win-win. I thank you guys for your support. Thanks for watching this bubble gun review. You guys have a wonderful day out there, and I'll see you next time.